Greetings, everyone. This is Rock and Roll Spot coming at you with the Weekly Comic Roundup. We're starting a day late. I was going to start this last night, but I kind of got tired after work. But anyways, not too big of a haul of DC books. So let's get started with Batman number 156. Where we left off, former Commissioner Gordon had been had been accused of murdering the mayor on account of the fact that he was having an affair with the mayor's wife. But and it seemed that however, Batman had managed to figure out that Jim didn't do it. There's also a new costume hero in Gotham by the name of Commander Starr, and the Riddler has gone legit and is attempting to merge Digmatech with Wayne Industries. So the issue opens with Gotham burning, and Commander Starr is just standing there. There are riots, and they're in the streets. People are, but Batman goes to is it the GCPD headquarters, and informs Bullock that Gordon was set up, framed by the Riddler, by his glasses frames. But so Batman goes to Enigmatech. Apparently, Enigma has the current head of the Court of Owls as an ally, and well, he intends to use them against as basically goons against Batman. Batman makes his way through the Digmatech building, and also is trying to find Mad Hatter, because as the frames that the tech that Enigma used to frame Gordon was derived from Mad Hatter's technology. Jim briefly reunites with the mayor's now widow, and tell her that he didn't do it. He was framed, and but she breaks things off with him. Batman makes his way through the Enigma's tower, finds Mad Hatter, and while Batman tries to get Mad Hatter to leave the building, well, Tetch doesn't want to leave without getting some revenge on Riddler. But as Batman makes his way closer to the server rooms, he has to fight members of the Court of Owls, and not Talons, but just initiates. Gordon helps him at one point, and Batman gives him hands him his utility belt, basically saying he's got an extra one on the car. Gordon, Mad Hatter discovers that the Enigma building is wired to blow, and Batman gets a call from Rowan from Wayne Industries, basically explaining that she has been helping Enigma with potentially potential merger with Wayne Tech, and but Riddler and Gordon duke it out, and the entire thing is that Enigma's Detective Enigma's got basically hanging his entire company off of can basically get through firewalls, and it seems that the leader of the Court of Owls intends to use that for espionage purposes. He's Russian after all, but Commander Starr, Captain. Batman had been able to figure it out, but basically what his whole point in the grand scheme of things is, he's better known by another name, KG Beast, and that is where the issue ends. Interesting issue, kind of getting some potential international espionage, and I can imagine the Court of Owls being involved in international espionage. They're very much a figures in many pies type of organization, but international espionage doesn't really seem like their thing because they're largely concerned about Gotham. So, anyways, moving on to our next book, we've got Batgirl #3. Where we left off, Lady Shiva was targeted by a group of assassins known as the Unburied, and had basically had gone to Cassandra for help, and Cassandra has potentially led the Unburied to various allies of hers, but and Cassandra is making clear that she knows how the various ways that she was going to try to manipulate her, but and and Shiva introduces them to the remnants of the Gotham branch of the Order of Shiva. They kind of revere Cassandra, as Cassandra is the daughter of Lady Shiva. And it turns out that Shiva has kind of a heart. I mean, yeah, she cares for the people that basically worship her, so, but obviously it's just, to a degree. And apparently the Order of Shiva has done, or Lady Shiva has done actually some really good work with the Order of Shiva, and one of the acolytes informs her of this. And also gives her something to help her heal. But Shiva and Cassandra go after some members of the League of Shadows. They do it over the course of they fight through train cars. It's kind of it's actually kind of really interestingly drawn. That's the second of two-page spreads. But as they made their way through the train cars, they discover that who's really behind the attempt on Shiva's life. It appears to be Mr. Al Ghul. And looks like Angel Breaker. But the idea is that Nissa is going to try to make allies of Shiva and the Order of Shiva and the League of Shadows. And she wants Cassandra to also join them. And that is where the issue ends. Okay. Obviously, Shiva's parental instincts or maternal instincts are not exactly great. She has her moments, but not. But yeah. Anyways, moving on to our last book for the moment, we've got Birds of Prey number 17. Where we left off, Cassandra had infiltrated a biotech firm known as the Ninth Day Corporation, and she had been exposed to one of their drugs, which basically turned her into a muscle-bound berserker, and so she fights Big Barda. Onyx and Grace work on saving the other Amazons, and Sin and has an idea back at the bird's base, and the leadership of Ninth Day. Well, they have the more public leader has the founder has a contingency plan, basically using the drug on the others, but Barda manages to Barda and to a degree Black Canary managed to take down Cassandra. Grace and Onyx take down the others, but and Cassandra is able to get some clarity to help the rest of the birds help her. And they're then attacked by two of the three, I think it's the two-thirds of the leaders of the corporation. The founder ends up getting injected as well, and Sin and also the dog is going to be saved, and Sin and Sela go to the Ninth Day to rescue the birds, but just as they're, everyone's saved, and Onyx delivers the antidote to the drug that is derived from the Amazons. Then the founder, Kane, it said that as far as everyone knows, he's probably lost in the tunnels beneath the building. But the issue ends with the Amazons being the kidnapped Amazons being returned to Themyscira. Um, and probably Grace and Onyx are going to find their own way back. Apparently, the Amazons that they rescued are wearing Grace's clothes. And that is where the issue ends. But good story arc. This was actually the conclusion of a story. So, it'll be interesting what the future holds for the birds. But anyways, that's going to do it for now. As always, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Links to my Facebook, Blue Sky, Instagram, Mastodon, Twitter, Patreon, and PayPal can be found in the description box down below. This is Rock and Roll Spock signing off saying, live long and rock hard.